wọn ò ní gbà lórúkọ Olúwa ọmọ tíyàn ń gbà tíyàn lọ ń ṣẹ̀wọ̀n wọn ò ní gbà gbogbo tí àwọn ọmọ máa lò lórúkọ Jésù èmi tí èṣù ò ní mí sí gbogbo àwọn tó máa bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀ wọn ò ní gbàgbọ́ ní fún yín gbogbo àwọn tó máa bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀ lórúkọ Olúwa wọn ò ní kó báyìí láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà oníbi bíúlì la máa ṣí láìpẹ́ ìlérí yẹn máa ṣe ìran yẹn máa ṣe ó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ alátakò náà kó palẹ̀ lọ gbogbo àwa tá a wá tínú wá dùn lórúkọ Jésù kọ́lé tó parí ẹ̀ náà máa ṣí parí ẹ̀ kọ́lé tó parí ẹ̀ máa ṣí parí ẹ̀ èyí tẹ́ ẹ ti ní lórúkọ Jésù kò ní bàjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí lọ òkè ò ní jábọ́ èyí tẹ́ ẹ ti wà lókè ìyá ò ní ṣubú èyí tẹ́ ẹ rákòrò náà kó mú ibòkè kí ìlérí kó ṣe fún yín gbogbo tó wà nínú lẹ́yìn bá kó yà fún ọwọ́ agbára Ọlọ́run kó dì mú kí ìyanu ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lolúwa rí o bẹ́ẹ̀ òun ní sọ kẹ́ máa gbé láì ní o Jésù agbára wa. Àwọn tó wà ń ta ọmọ pé nǹkan lọ́nu ní báyìí. All right. Very good. Ọwọ́ ìyá àrùn ló ń kọ Jésù agbára Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ lè jábọ́.
Sorry, ẹ jẹ́ kọ́ wọlé.
Ẹ máa lọ báyìí. A tún mú ẹgbẹ́ òkúta. Ṣé ìwé làwọn máa kó fi nígbà?
Àwọn kò èsì.
Ìwé ni.
Ẹ kú náà wọ́n tẹ́sí bá ní ẹ̀sì.
After that.
First class. There is no place here that you just think
security wà òkè gbogbo ilé pátápátá ló ní kámẹ́rà kò sí pé yọ ń gbọ́mọ lọ kámẹ́rà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ everything ní ló ní kámẹ́rà pátápátá.
Madam, sorry. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank God for this.
One of the parents of the children here. What can you tell us? What's your experience so far? What can you tell us about the Rebiancare Play School?
Yeah, the first time I moved into this area, I was trying to look for a good price for my daughter because I'm from K2. So there is a school near Viola that I used to take her to. So when I got here, I was wondering where can I get a nice crèche. So as I was going around the Butte area, I just saw the flyers. Then I just copied the something and I called her. And the way she responded, in fact, that was what really brought me to the crèche. I was so happy. She was talking like a mother, not like I own a crèche. She just talked to me. She said, okay, that she just bring the child. Then when she did the interview, I was happy. I even told my husband that we are using this place, not knowing that we're even the owner of this place. Because I know the husband very well at Viola. So, one thing about this school is that I really appreciate her so much because they are not giving them any drug to sleep or anything. I was telling my sister from UK yesterday. She said, don't like crèche, you go. I told her, I said, I want to be paying the crèche mistress especially because Oriofe is very she's too much. She understands what I'm saying. She can be so clean to people, but now Oriofe is free. She eats herself. She do a lot of things herself. She use potty when she wants to wee. She not wee anyhow. In fact, I was really impressed. Now she knows how to write on a magic board, which she sold to us. Oriofe is just 1 year and 5 months, and she has been calling water, so many things. Just in a week, I noticed that Oriofe has really changed. My husband now said, what type of woman is this woman that, oh, million, that she didn't even know that this woman is very, very nice like this. Sometimes she will even talk to me like a mother, like very friendly. She's very good to talk to. But one thing I will tell her is that she should keep up the good work, because not even giving the children drug is even a very, very important something, because people used to say, drug. Even I even tell a lot of people about her that at K2 they just moved in. So they are not telling me that Oriofe has really changed. Oriofe do a lot of things by herself. God bless you.
Yeah,
Thank you for taking care of my
if you ask to give them pass mark, what will you give them out of 100?
I'll give them 100 because I'm
100.
surprised. I'm surprised. It's not that because I know them. Ask her. It's not because before I told her I know her, it took a long time before I told her I know her. But I really watched them closely and know that they really have the hearts of children in them. Not that they just want to do it just to gain money. Because I was wondering, there's one secret I need to just reveal. I'm sorry. I need to say this. When I paid her the money for the creche, and I'll check this place. Owó tá à ń san ó kéré jù nǹkan tí ẹni yìí ṣe ní creche yìí lọ. Because when I see all what she has put in place, it's more than what she's giving out. She's really giving out more than expected. She has like 3 people taking care of the children, and when I come here, I do something, I watch them from afar. Although they don't know anytime I just come here, but I do meet my child in a good way. Not that I will meet her, she'll be crying, she'll be no. Anytime, ask her. I come here without even notification. And sometimes Oriofe will tell me that she's not going home. She'll come and sit down here. Several times, my sister used to ask me, Tani woman, I used to copy this something I can show you. It's on my phone. I sent it to my sister in UK. In fact, she was very, very happy. Even she told me today that I must come for the opening because I'm not an outing person. My sister is, if I call her now, she will speak with her that not trying to crush that they are very, very good. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.